Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan said while there are 3 vaccine candidates against coronavirus disease COVID-19 being tested on humans in India, there is no intranasal vaccine candidate under trial currently. He also said that Serum Institute of India was manufacturing an intranasal vaccine candidate. He further said, Flumist nasal spray is a vaccine that is sprayed into the nose to help protect against influenza. It is not COVID-19 vaccine. At present in India, there is no intranasal COVID vaccine which is under clinical trial. However, Serum Institute of India has begun manufacturing Codagenix CDX-005, which is an intranasal live attenuated vaccine candidate for SARS-CoV-2. Preclinical animal studies have already been completed and Codagenix expects to initiate phase 1 clinical first to human trials in United Kingdom by the end of 2020. Further, Serum India plans to undertake clinical developments of this vaccine candidate in India. The minister was responding to queries on his social media accounts as part of the 6th episode of Sunday Samvad. He also said that India's Bharat Biotech has entered in an agreement with Washington University School of Medicine, as a part of which it will conduct trials to produce, market an intra-vaccine for COVID-19. The phase 1 trial will take place in US in St. Louis University Vaccine and Treatment Evaluation Unit. On getting regulatory approval, Bharat Biotech will pursue further stages of clinical trials in India, he further added. On being asked if the COVID-19 vaccine will also be for the pediatrics age group, the Union Minister said Bharat Biotech's vaccine candidate was being tested on subjects between 18 and 55 years in phase 1, while for phase 2 it will extend it to ages between 12 and 65 years.